Let's science this. I'm on it.
Come discover the world around us.
We'll observe nature's wonders.
Using science and imagination, we'll experiment and build creations.
Darwin and Utes, having fun with trial and error. Darwin and Utes,
Bringing all their friends together. Find out how things work with Darwin and you.
What's this? Footprints. Wonder who made them. They look familiar. Because they're mine. Good one, Darwin. Whoa. Darwin, look at me. I'm Wapiti. Whoa. Whoa. Cool. These are real antlers. Where did you find them, Newts? Over in the bush. Where do you think they came from? Well, I'm pretty sure they came from Wapiti. But his antlers are on his head. I just saw him yesterday. They must have fallen off. It happens every year, Newts. Look, every spring, boy deer lose their antlers. Then they grow new ones. Wow! That means Wapiti lost his antlers today. Yep, it's Wapiti's Antler Day. Oh, we should celebrate. Yes! A party! Even better, a surprise party! We'll invite all our friends. Then we'll hide, and when Wapiti gets here, we'll jump out and shout... Newts? Where did you... Invites are all done. Let's go! An invite for you, Bippy, and one for you, Croquette. Remember, it's a surprise. A surprise to celebrate Wapiti's Antler Day? We'll be there. The surprise party is this afternoon, Pupurangi. You'd better start off now if you're going to make it. Remember, we have to all get there early to hide. Pupurangi is never going to make it on time. We should have brought him with us. Yes, and we forgot to invite someone. Someone really important. Who? Wapiti!
Did someone say my name?
Wapiti! What are you doing here, Wapiti?
Oh, nothing, just strolling along. Notice anything different about me?
No, Yes, your antlers. You've lost your antlers.
Yeah, no big thing. Happens every year. Still, it makes me feel as light as a feather.
We have to get him out of here. I know. I'm thinking. Got it. Wapiti, we've invited Pupurangi over for a visit. Yeah, right. Just a normal, everyday visit. Nothing special. But we're worried he won't make it in time because snails can't move very fast. Could you go and get him, please?
With pleasure. I'll just leap through the forest. Back in a flash.
Take your time! Phew, that was close. Okay, I'll get the food sorted. You get this place decorated. I'm on it! Presenting my latest invention, the Antler Light-Up Kit! Now, remember, we all have to hide and be really quiet. No squawking. Kia, you mustn't ruin the surprise for Wapiti.
Did someone say my name?
Wapiti! We were just saying, what are you doing here?
I'm leaping off to pick up Pupurangi. I feel so light today because...
Right. Today is the day you lost your antlers.
Yep, and I'm leaping for joy. So where are you headed, Henny?
We're just going to... Pupurangi! Right, yes. Great thinking, Kia. I mean, remembering. We're going to Pupurangi's too.
What a coincidence. How about a lift?
Sure.
Hang on, it's going to be a bumpy ride.
Whoa! Whoa! Me, Haro! This place looks amazing! And the best part... Ta-da! Newts! You are so clever! Wapiti is going to love it! Your broadleaf cake looks pretty awesome too, Darwin. Just one last detail. That's perfect! We are ready, Newts! Now, when everyone else gets here, we'll hide. And when Wapiti shows up, we'll jump out and shout, "Surprise!" Yikes!
Well, what do you know? Here come Burpee and Croquette. Kia ora, fine frogs. And where are you going today?
Well, we're going to Pupurangi's, not to the tree house.
Oh, you're going to Pupurangi's too. Then hop aboard and hang on.
Where is everybody? Do you think something happened? There's only one way to find out. Let's science this. Darwin, look! Footprints! Who do you think made them? Let me check. I've been observing footprints lately, including my own. Aha! These are bird feet! Darwin! I found more footprints! And they look like... gumboots! Gumboots? And a bird? It must be Henny! And Kia! The footprints are pointing straight for the treehouse. And then they just stop. That's strange. We'd better keep looking. Wapiti, can we possibly walk for a bit?
Whoops. Sorry about that. I feel so light and fast without my antlers. We're nearly there.
Look! More footprints. 2 sets of tracks again. But they're the same. Only one set is smaller. These are frog feet. The big ones will be Burpees. And the smaller ones Croquettes. Their footprints are headed towards the treehouse too. And then they disappear. Just like Henny and Kia. This is a real mystery. And we're on it. What about these footprints, Darwin? If I'm not mistaken, these are Wapiti's! And there he is! We found you! By following your footprints! What are you doing here? Well, what are you doing here? We each met Wapiti on his way to pick up Pupurangi. When he offered to give us a lift, we all said yes, because we didn't want to ruin the... Don't say it! We have to get everyone back to the treehouse to hide for the Wapiti Antler Party. I know. Oh, why doesn't everyone come back to the treehouse? Great idea. Thanks for the ride, Wapiti. Why don't you have fun and leap back? I'll take Henny and Kia on my trike. And Pupurangi, Burpee and Croquette can ride the zip line with me. And we'll meet you there.
Good plan. I'm off.
He's coming! Quick, hide!
What is all this? It looks like
Surprise! Happy Antler Day, Wapiti!
an Antler Day party for me. Oh, thank you. And Look at my old antlers. They're magnificent.
Feel the aroha, Wapiti, because we love you.
Oh, this is me when I was a baby.
Oh, so cute.
Oh, and look, here I am just learning to walk. No antlers yet, but look at those spots.
Aww.
This is me when I grew my first set of antlers.
Aww. Wait a minute, guys. I think we need one more picture. Everybody ready? Say antlers! Antlers! Head to DarwinandNewts.com for more.